before I go into the CPM, how much each niche receive, I just want to let you know that there are several factors that contribute to the amount that a YouTuber makes. It's not all about the niche. The location of the viewers, the people that watch your video also matters. So in another video, not in this video, in another video, I'm going to share with you the countries with the highest CPM. Do you understand? So but in this video, let's focus on the 15 most profitable YouTube niche, how much they make, people that are into the so guys, let's get right into it. It's good we know the meaning of CPM and RPM, right? So what is CPM? CPM means cost per mile. That mile you are seeing, they don't allow the English to confuse you. It means 1,000. So that 1,000 is like how much advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views. And for RPM is your own cut after YouTube have collected their own. Do you understand? I hope you are aware that YouTube will take 45% of the money that you got from your video, and they will give you 55%. So that is your RPM, revenue per man. So YouTube already collected their own. So I hope you understand that point. So guys, that being said, let's move straight to the reason why we are here today. Now, so guys, I will just start from the number 15, and that's how we'll be breaking it up. Do you understand? So guys, coming up at number 15 is the gaming channel. Yes, and the average CPM for a gaming channel is $1.40. Yes, advertisers are willing to pay $1.40 for gaming channels. The good thing about gaming channels is that they tend to attract more subscribers and more views, and from that they are able to gather something. So that is it. Coming up at number 14 is music channel. The average CPM for a music channel is $1.46. These people, they don't really receive more money, like advertisers don't pay much on their channel, and I don't know why, but they actually make money. Though their CPM is low, but they make money. Do you know why? Because if you do a good song, a very good song, and people stream it, people watch it, like, you know, when people play music, they don't really play half and leave it. So if that music is good, they will play it to the end. Do you understand? So the good thing is that they also attract subscribers, and they also have more views on their music channels. Do you understand? And from there they are able to gather something. Now, coming up at number 13, the body building and fitness channel. You are into this channel where you do exercise, you teach people how to exercise their body, you jog, you do all sort of exercise. Now, the average CPM for that channel, that is the average amount of money that advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views, is $1.60. Yes, $1.60. So these people, they also make money, but not so big. Yeah. Coming up at number 12 is reaction channel. Reaction channel is, I hope we all know reaction channel. You understand? Somebody can just pick your video now, choose one part, and then react to it, talk about it. So reaction channels, they make an average CPM of $2.03. Yeah, that is the average CPM for reaction channel. Coming up at number 11, we have the tech and gadget channel. You see, these people, I dey give them a big hand, because they are trying, they are spending a lot of money on their channel. Do you know what it means for you to go and buy? You go and buy phone, you want to review. You go and buy this, you want to, they are trying. They will buy camera, they will review. Any latest phone, any latest thing that is coming out, they review. So their average CPM is $2.39. It's not so big, but these people, they are still pushing. They are still pushing. Somebody must do it. Do you understand? So coming up at number 10 is the cooking channel. We have lots of cooking channel on YouTube. Lots of cooking channel, and they also make money, but not so much. Not so much. And this set of people are still trying. Yeah, they are still trying, because They always go to the market to buy stuffs and just to teach us, just to show us. Do you understand? So these people are also trying, and the average CPM that advertisers are willing to pay for a cooking channel is $2.50. It shock you? That's what we see them. So for every 1,000 views, they get $2.50. That is the average CPM. Do you understand? So coming up at number 9 is the entertainment channel. This is the channel where we watch drama, comedy, where they make us like you want to have fun online. You just go and you get entertained, skits, all those stuff. So those are entertainment channel, and the average CPM that advertisers are willing to pay for an entertainment channel is $2.74. Yeah. So in case you have not started your YouTube channel and you are watching this video, start thinking of what to start. Start thinking, because it's good when you are working, you are seeing the results, you are seeing the money. It's very important too. It's very, very important. Coming up at number 8 is beauty and makeup channel. Yeah, so many people are into this, especially ladies. They are into it. They teach us how to do makeup, how to beautify ourselves, you understand? So the average CPM that advertisers are willing to pay for a beauty channel, a beauty and a makeup channel, is $3. Up at number 7, we have the lifestyle and fashion channel. Yeah, so the average CPM that advertisers are willing to pay for a lifestyle and a fashion channel is $3.47. Yeah, for every 1,000 views. So guys, that is it. And this lifestyle is all about you showing them your life, just as the name implies, lifestyle. You understand? So that is it. And we have lots of lifestyle channels on YouTube. A lot of people, they are into lifestyle channel. They have like it's one of the most common channels we have on YouTube. Coming up at number 6 is the car channels. Car channels is all about they talk about cars, latest cars. So the average CPM for a car channel is $4.32. Yeah, that is the average money that advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 view on a car channel. Seen up at number 5 is the filmmaking and photography channel. The average amount that advertisers are willing to pay, the average CPM for that channel is $7.31. That's high, right? It's okay. Coming up at number 4 is educational channel. Okay, this channel consists of tutorials, having lectures, selling courses, you understand? So if you are into, maybe you teach people, like for example, you teach people subjects, different subjects or different topics, like you educate people on some stuff like that, like I'm doing now. My channel is under this educational content, so I teach people what I know. It's actually different from cooking channel, but this one is educational channel. It will be like say you dey class, you dey learn. That is what this channel is all about. So the average CPM for a channel like this, the average CPM for an educational channel is $9.89. That's high. Like, it's okay. Yeah, it's very, very okay. What do you think? So start thinking of what to start in case you have not started a YouTube channel. Start thinking. So guys, coming up at number 3 is the personal finance channel. This personal finance channel is money related. They also talk about money in their channel. One thing I have come to understand is that channels that talk about money more, like you talk about money, advertisers pay more on that channel. That is something I have observed. Yeah. So for a personal finance channel, the average CPM is $12.25. That's a whole lot. Wow, that's a whole lot, guys. Coming up at number 2 is the digital marketing, which includes social media marketing. What these people do is that they address an audience of entrepreneurs and small business owners. So this is what their channel is all about. They come online and they address small business owners. They give them talks about how to make progress in their business, how to be more financially okay in their business. And this is what they do. This is what they call digital marketing. And the average CPM for a digital marketing channel is $12.52. Yeah, that's high. Anything that has to do with money related, these people, they tend to make more money. And that is why we see people rushing into all this, even though they don't have any interest. They prefer to come and do the one they know, and just to make big money on YouTube. Coming up at number 1, are you ready? Are you ready? Coming up at number 1 is the money making channel. Yeah, have you come across any videos on this YouTube that will tell you talk to lonely people online and get paid, make up and get paid, do this and get paid, do this and get paid, papa and get paid, do everything, like, and you are wondering how you have tried it, is not working. All these people, they pack YouTube money. The average CPM for a making money online channel is $13.52. You guys didn't tell me, like, how? What? That's a lot. What? Imagine 1,000 people watch your video and they watch the advertisement of that video. You get $13.52 just for 1,000 people. Then when another 1,000 will come again, addition, another 1,000. Imagine you now have 300,000 or 1 million. That's a lot. Don't mind me, guys. So that is a lot. They receive the highest amount of money on YouTube. That is why you see most people going into making money online and the rest. But if there is one advice I have for you, before I say that advice, let me just quickly say this. I know people will come to my comment section now and start asking me for what about travel. People that do travel vlogs, they show us around, they travel to different countries, different states. What about that channel? How much do they make? So this one is just extra. They make $2. That is their average CPM. Average money that advertisers are willing to pay is $2 for a travel channel. So they don't really make much, and they invest their time, they invest their money, and well, so that is it. But if there's one advice I have for anybody starting a YouTube channel, is this: in case you have not started, just sit down and first of all ask yourself, what can you do? For somebody like me, I cannot make money online channel. I can't. I'm not lying to you. Just ask yourself, what is that thing that you know that when you do it, you will do it well, then you can go into it. And also, I also watched a video recently of a lady that switched from she calls it mommy vlog. Say mommy vlog, not they pay again. So you go suffer, you go video your family, do everything, you post it online, you will not see good cash at the end of the day. So she started doing this sit down videos where she talks, she make reactions, and she said her channel life changed ever since. So take a look at your channel. What are you doing? Is it something you would like to continue with? It's very okay for you to change your niche in case the niche you are doing is not paying much. You know that you are sweating and you are not seeing the results that you want to see. You can always change your niche and carry your audience along when you do so. So guys, that is all for this video. If I did not mention your niche, please, it's not left for you to make your own research. Make your own research. Guys, I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my videos. Subscribe, like, and share. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.